We're on, I think this is day 3. Today we're gonna tear out the seats and go on from there. Done this 100 times, should be easy. Amazes me what these fucking people can do to a good vehicle. Oh yeah, check that out. If I already showed you, look at that. $542.81. Guess who's paying for it? Power tools, you gotta love them, right? Well, as you can see, I tore a bunch of crap out yesterday. Steering wheel column. They did a hell of a job. I mean, look at that. There's the key, there's the lock shift. Yeah, I'm sure I could take it off, but with that being what it is, oh, you never know. Yeah, here's what's going on inside. Yeah, I mean, it looks bad, but you know, what are you gonna do? Oh yeah. All right, all you Dodge owners, look at this. This is what prevents everybody from breaking into your car. Take 2. All right, Dodge owners, this is what little clip goes right inside there on the lock, and that's all that holds it in. Sucks, doesn't it? Oh, it's power, so that means I have to do this old school. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna put the battery in. Look, thieves left me a hell of a good battery. I think I got a crescent wrench or vice grips. I got some tools out of it. I'm already ahead of the game. I don't know if this is gonna work or not. What are the odds the seat works? Wants to work. I can hear it click. Well, alright, we're going to take it out manually. Can't move it. We've got the seats out. Just tinkering with the ignition. There's our temporary key. Do have power, not much. The battery, the thieves left us, that's a 15, so I'm not getting any charge out of it. But what are you going to do for a cheap old battery? So now I got all these screws. I'm going to attempt to vacuum. Looks like we got all the needles, and by the way, the needles are over there. If anybody decided to take a piece count, see who's gonna win. All right, be back in a sec. Got the vacuum part. Now, air compressor. Oh. And back to the shell vac. Vacuum, air compressor, vacuum. I don't think we're good. That's just a waste of time to get $5 out of this thing. Turn it in and get some money out of it. Oops, gotta bleep that out. All right, now we gotta get the tranny cable, which is right there. How's that, huh? Top shelf. Bolted on, so we're gonna have to bolt that. I'm not gonna do that right now, but it's good to know. So put that over there. So anybody have a count on the needles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17-ish. We all know what that is. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean everything really well, put everything back together. Once the interior's done, I got to desanitize it, and that's probably going to take, I don't know, 4 or 5 days, maybe longer. What the hell? What the hell? Why would you do that? And I don't know if I mentioned it, they took all my floor mats. Why did they take the floor mats? Oh well, it is what it is. Could have been worse. Gotta make light of the whole situation. This looks like the rear hatch. I was originally going to try to replace the, that's the tilt steering. That one right there. And that one's the shift linkage gear changer. It's not worth it. I mean, because it's built in right there. So I'm just going to take the whole thing off, pull the steering wheel, keep the steering wheel, keep the usable parts, because my luck, as soon as I get it back, they're going to go out. What are we doing next? Oh, clean the seats. Same process. Shut vac, air compressor, shut vac. We've got everything put back together in the front. Well, obviously with the exception of that. This back here is still a mess. The next thing I think we'll tackle is the windows. Spray painted on that rear hatch. We're going to take that off. All right.